Hello, this is the Tradesight U.S. Stocks and Futures Market Preview for Tuesday, April 26, 2016. Charts, as usual, brought to you by eSignal 12. Here's a look at the ES front-month futures contract. Really boring session to start the week. Monday was just really slow. We're still under that 13-inch sell signal risk line. I'll go through the intraday action a little bit, but I mean, it couldn't have been a slower day to start the week, and we kind of expected that. We're still in the middle of earnings and whatnot, but it was really slow. Here's a look at crude oil, closed at 43. That was up 35 cents, almost a 13 sell signal there. Look at gold, up 11 bucks, recovering some of Friday's loss. S&P down 3 points. That's the cash index. NDX, I don't remember the last time I saw this. The NDX, Nasdaq 100, closed down 0.06. Almost as unchanged as you can be on the Nasdaq. SOX was down 3.5, which is a non-move there. Biotech's down 27, essentially a non-move there. VIX gained 86 cents, back over 14 bucks. The trend closed high at 1.51, curling that 10-day moving average back up. And here was the problem, of course, Nasdaq volume only 1.44 billion shares, which is just horrible. Everybody's waiting for the rest of these earnings. The market breadth, which was better Friday than the market indicated, was really bad today. Negative 739 on the Nasdaq advanced decline, negative 1,000 on the New York. Google gained $4.44. Apple lost 60 cents. Amazon gained 570. Netflix lost 234. All right, let's take a quick look at the intraday action to start the week. Here's the ES front month, and here's 5 minutes. So you can see we gapped down a little, headed a little bit lower, made some good money on the futures again early. By midday, we were right back where we started, and it wasn't until, and then look how flat all that action. I mean, there's 2 hours of flat, and then 2 candles that jump up, and then 2 more hours of flat, and then the very end of the day, we moved up a bit ahead of some earnings. That's just really as boring as it can get. The Nasdaq side, on the other hand, the smaller gap down filled the gap early. That was what brought us up. And then just look how flat the Nasdaq is all day long. Had to close, like I said, the NDX closing down 0.06. It's just horrible. Tomorrow we have durable orders an hour before the bell. The Case-Shiller's 20-city housing index 30 minutes before the bell, and consumer confidence 30 minutes into the market. And we got some big data still coming out this week. Remember, we got a Fed meeting, a 2-day Fed meeting that starts tomorrow, etc. So again, don't overtrade the dead markets. Between earnings, the Fed, and everything, who knows what this is really going to look in. The minute you get to the point, like halfway through the day, where you see how flat it was today, you really just don't want to trade. That's just putting money at risk for no reason. Remember, our job is to make money over the course of a year, not make money every day and end up forcing situations that aren't positive for us. So we will be in the lab. If you have not yet taken a trial of our services, feel free to do so. We can help you out for a couple weeks. Have a great trading week.